Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy my recipes. Today I am going to show you a recipe of yummy whole wheat banana jaggery cake with dry fruits in a healthy way. If you like my recipe, please hit the like button and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. So let's get started. Take a bowl, 2 ripe bananas, cut banana into pieces. Take half a cup of jaggery, it's a crushed jaggery. Take this fork, mash the bananas with this fork. Add half a cup of curd. Half a cup oil. One teaspoon banana essence. That's okay if you don't have banana essence, you can even use vanilla essence. With this blender, I am going to mix all this. If you don't have the blender, that's okay, you can even mix with the help of whisker. See that there are no lumps into it. Now you take this sieve, just place on this bowl. Take 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, 1/8 spoon cinnamon powder, pinch of salt. Just mix it with the spoon. Save it. Sieve half of the flour into this. Sieve half of the flour into this. Now keep it aside and take one spatula, mix it in cut and fold method, that is this way. Again you save this. Mix with the cut and fold method. Take the tin, grease it with oil. Take little flour and dust it. You can remove the extra one. Now take the wax paper and place it here. And now you pour this cake mixture into it. tap it twice. These are some cashews, almonds and walnuts which I am going to put on the top. And now the cake is ready to get baked. Banana wheat jaggery cake is ready to get baked. This you can bake it in oven, cooker or a pan. Today I am going to bake in a pan. So friends who doesn't have a oven with the conventional model, they can even bake into a pan, which tastes very yummy and tasty too. So okay, for that we need to take a pan like this. We need to preheat this for 5 to 10 minutes and put some salt into it. On that you need to place one stand like this. I have already preheated for 10 minutes and now I am going to place this tin over this. Close the lid. In low flame you need to bake this around 40 to 50 minutes. After 40 minutes you can even check it out and see that if it is done you can remove it, or if not you can even keep it for more some time. So let's see in how many more minutes it is going to finish. Now let's check it out. Yeah, maybe I think it's done. Let's check with this toothpick. I'm inserting this toothpick inside. Toothpick has come very clearly. That means the wheat banana jaggery cake is done. So I'm going to switch off the stove and now I need to remove this. I'll let it cool for 5-10 minutes, then we'll remove it. You can see how soft and spongy it is. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my recipe, please do not forget to hit the like button and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you and please take care. Bye bye. Sorry.